As you continue to use Mylio and consolidate all your photos, you realize just how many photos you have. And the problem we all have is that we can't find a photo we're looking for. But with the Mylio QuickFilters feature, you can easily narrow down the scope of your library and pinpoint specifically the shots you're looking for. Right now I'm in my All Photos view, and I want to find photos that I've taken while I travel and photos that are highly rated. I can open the left side panel and display the QuickFilters interface and ask Mylio specifically to find just those things. I will go to the category section and select travel. And then I will go to the ratings section and select 4 and 5 stars. Now Mylio is showing me every photo that I've taken during my travels that is rated 4 and 5 stars. It's just that easy.